In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a private listing on eBay. Whether you're dealing with items of a sensitive nature like collectible treasures, specialty medical supplies, or adult products, it's important to ensure both your and your buyer's privacy. By setting your listings as private, you protect the identity of the buyers, which can be an essential step depending on the nature of the items you're selling. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll start by logging into your eBay account. Once you've got that taken care of, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on My eBay. From there, navigate to Selling to access your seller hub. This area is your control center for managing all your sales activities on eBay. Now, when you're inside the seller hub, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll see an option labeled Listings. Click on that and you'll be presented with the choice to either create a brand new listing or edit an existing one. Choose the one that best suits your needs at the moment. After you've selected a listing to create or edit, scroll down until you reach the section marked Pricing. This area is crucial for setting your listing parameters, including our focus for today, making the listing private. Look towards the top right corner in this section and click on See Pricing Options. Once you're in the pricing options, keep an eye out for the toggle labeled Private Listing. Simply switch this to the On position. Activating this toggle will lead to a new checkbox appearing further down the screen under the section titled Schedule Your Listing. Here's where you make your move, locate the Private Listing checkbox, and click on it to ensure it's checked. This small yet significant step is what sets your listing apart as private, safeguarding buyer identities through the transaction process on eBay. Next, ensure you complete any other parts of the listing process. This includes filling in item specifics, detailing the condition, setting a price, and adding any additional information you'd like potential buyers to know. Finally, with everything reviewed and set up the way you want, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll notice a button that says List It. Click on this to finalize your listing and make it live, and just like that, you've successfully created a private listing on eBay. These simple steps can ensure peace of mind for those looking to purchase more discreetly. Remember, when selling online, privacy not only builds trust with your buyers, but also increases the credibility of your sales platform. Be sure to double check your listings for accuracy, and happy selling.